To remove the door assembly, the top hinge covers will have to be removed. Remove 2 screws from each top hinge cover. Then lift away both hinge covers. Next, disconnect the wiring for the right-hand hinge. Then remove these 2 screws to remove the hinge. For the left-hand hinge, disconnect the wiring. Then remove this water tube from the refrigerator. To disconnect the water line from the refrigerator, go to the back of the unit and disconnect the water line by pressing down on the blue ferrule. The portion of the water tube that passes through the top of the cabinet must be pulled in this direction until the end of the tube is pulled out. Next, take out these 2 screws. Each door can then be lifted up and away. To access the humidity sensor, start by removing the upper hinge covers. Then extract these screws, securing the eyebrow trim to the unit frame. Turn the eyebrow trim over to access the wire harness connections to the door switches and humidity sensor. To remove a light switch, start by disconnecting the wiring harness. Then press in on the retaining latch and push the switch through the eyebrow trim. To remove the humidity sensor, start by disconnecting the wiring harness. Next, push the retaining latches away from the humidity sensor and pull it from the bracket. To remove the door gasket, simply pull the gasket from the channel molded into the door. To reinstall the gasket, press it firmly back into the channel molding.